I'm Money with Mark, and this is Neo Financial. Neo Financial is a fintech company in Canada, and I've been using them for almost 7 years now, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on the pros and the cons so you can make an informed decision. Now, there's a few major products from Neo Financial and their app, which I'll be on right now. They have the credit card, which is this that you see in my hand. They have money, which is the high interest savings account. They have mortgages, where they have actually partnered with another mortgage company in order to provide mortgages. And they have Invest, which is actually a Neo Invest is what the brand name is called, powered by OneVest, which again, they partner with another company in order to provide managed investment solutions, which I'll talk about the pros and cons of that. They have Loans, which is stress-free borrowing, so same-day personal loans, and then they have Insurance. So in this review, I'm gonna talk briefly about each one of these features of Neo Financial, so that way you can know if it's the right choice for you. Now, on my channel, Money with Mark, I'm in search for one very specific solution. I want a fintech company that can provide me with everything that your traditional Big Five bank can. Because at the end of the day, as Canadians, we are getting absolutely screwed over by the big banks. So I'm looking at other options like Neo Financial in order to replace my really high fees and poor service banks. Let's start off with Neo Credit. So Neo offers 4 credit cards, and this is their basic Neo credit card. And to be honest, I really love this credit card. There's no annual fee. You get 1% cash back from your gas and your groceries, and you earn an average of 5% cash back at Neo Financial's partners, which they have over 10,000 business partners in Canada. And I'm really surprised, honestly, at just the sheer number of businesses across the country that you can get extra cash back by using your Neo Financial credit card. In terms of getting a Neo Financial credit card, you can do everything on the app and it's basically instantaneous. But probably my favorite features of Neo Financial's credit card is that they have an auto pay feature, which allows you to basically automatically pay your credit card bill in full every single time it's due. So that way you never miss a payment, which is huge. Because when using credit cards, if you don't use them correctly, you will hurt yourself. You'll hurt your credit score. And if you want to download my free credit score optimization protocol, you can do that using the link below this video. In terms of the other 3 types of Neo Financial credit cards, I'm honestly not that interested in them. I've compared their point systems. One of them gives you like Asia Air Miles, which I don't think many people are that interested in. But if you do travel a lot, you might be interested in Neo World Elite MasterCard, which offers you comprehensive travel insurance when paying for things with your credit card. And it gives you up to 15% cash back at Neo Financial's partners. But for the most part, I really just care about the basic credit card, when my philosophy with credit cards really comes down to either go for like the minimalist style, which is, hey, a no fee, no annual fee, cashback credit card, or go for like the premium of the premium, like an Aeroplan Amex Reserve card, which I can use to accumulate a lot of Aeroplan points. And if you want to see my video on that, you can look up in this corner here. And if you are interested in signing up for Neo Financial and trying out their credit card, you can get $25 for free using my link down below this video. And of course, the #1 rule here at Money with Mark is to always take free money. So use the link down below and get yourself a Neo Financial credit card. Now let's talk about Neo Money, which is their high interest savings accounts and their everyday spending account. Now here's the biggest downside on these. The everyday spending account does not give you a high interest rate of return. So you're not making any money by just having your money sitting in Neo Financial's everyday spending account, which is really unfortunate because like if that weren't the case, I would say Neo Financial is probably the closest solution in Canada to replacing your everyday banking solution. But regardless, they don't have high interest in their everyday spending account, but they do have high interest savings accounts, which you can see here. I have saving for a car purchase and repairs. I have saving for a new bike. We have a 6-month life raft fund that we started here, and a home down payment fund and home furnishing fund. So you can easily create new high interest savings accounts, and you can clearly see what sort of interest rate you are earning on your money sitting in Neo Financial's savings accounts. Setting this up is really easy. It's a few clicks of the button in the app. And honestly, I really like their automations features with their high interest savings account, where you can auto save, connect to an external bank account, or transfer in from a paycheck, and you can automatically save towards your goals. And overall, Neo Financial's high interest savings accounts are some of the most competitive savings accounts that are available in Canada. And I made an entire video on ranking the highest paying high interest savings accounts in Canada. So if you want to watch that one, you can also use the link up in this corner. Now, let's talk about Neo Mortgages. As you can see, Neo Mortgages claims that they can save you thousands on your mortgage with Neo interest rates as low as whatever the current interest rates are. Now, going through this process, which I did, was very easy, all digital. I can apply and go through everything on my phone. And that's awesome, right? A fully digital experience to apply for a mortgage or get my home renewed is a good thing to have. But the problem is that Neo Financial is advertising this as if it's them providing you with the mortgages. But in reality, they have partnered with, I believe it's DLC Group brokers. So essentially what Neo Mortgages are is going through a mortgage broker. And I actually think this is a great thing because going through a mortgage broker is one of the best ways to get access to lower interest rates and direct lenders who essentially specialize in lending for mortgages. So I actually think this is a good offering that Neo has and really ties in and builds out their app to be that all-in-one banking solution. So it's important to know that yes, you're not getting a loan with Neo. However, you are getting a loan with a reputable financial institution that is trusted through more licensed mortgage brokers. So when you go through the mortgage application process with Neo, you're actually applying and you will get assigned a mortgage broker to help you with your either first home purchase or your home renewal. Now let's talk about Neo Invest. Neo Financial partnered with OneVest, which offers basically online brokerage investing through a managed portfolio. Now, I don't like this at all, basically. I essentially think this is a bit of a scam and a waste of your money. Now, there's a flip side to that. If you are not investing anything at all, it is definitely better that you have your investments managed by someone like an actual managed portfolio like Neo Invest than not investing at all. But if you are investing, it's very simple. Buy low-cost index funds like an S&P 500 index fund or a total stock market index funds and just buy and hold them and wait. And you can do that with some of my favorite online brokerages in Canada like Wealthsimple or Questrade for essentially minimal fees. But when you end up buying a managed portfolio, which has like a full team of overpaid bankers in Toronto or New York managing your money for you, they might charge you 1 to 2%, even more in a management fee, which doesn't seem like a lot, but over the course of your time can literally eat up chunks of your actual returns for really worse performance than what just buying a simple low index fund could give you. So I don't recommend using Neo Invest, but I do think it's an important piece of their app that they're building out because really Neo Financial is the most complete app, in my opinion, in order to compete with the big banks in Canada. Now, I want to talk to you about the biggest downside of using Neo Financial, and it's this. This is Neo Financial's loans. These loans are super scammy. You are going to be paying really high interest rates, and essentially these are payday loans. And so they're called same-day personal loans up to $30,000, 6-month to 5-year terms. These are really predatory loans. I do not recommend using this at all. And to be honest, I think this is not a good look for Neo to be offering something like this on their app. And you can even see this if we compare Neo Financial with any of the big banks like a TD or an RBC, where like these big banks don't offer payday loans, right? But Neo Financial is. And I honestly believe that a lot of people, including like millennials and the Gen Z and all the generations that are coming up in Canada, we're looking for responsible ways to manage our money, or we don't want to be overcharged by these big banks. And we want a way to like actually use our money responsibly and not get ripped off by paying super high interest rates on like predatory loans. And that's exactly what Neo Financial loans are. So honestly, as a business move, I don't like this. I don't support this at all. I think it's a bad look on Neo Financial, and I think they should probably remove it. I also don't recommend you to get a personal loan or a payday loan from anyone for that matter. We need to have good, responsible financial choices and financial management no matter how much money we make in order to prevent us from getting in the solution or the situation where we would have to take out a payday loan. And the last feature of Neo Financial's app, which is insurance. And this is powered again by a partner, Walnut Insurance. And basically they offer a bunch of different insurance options for you. And in my opinion, I think this is a good way for them to partner with, but I honestly, it doesn't really do a whole lot for me. Like, I don't think Walnut is the best insurance company out there. I haven't used them personally, but again, I think it's just showing you what Neo Financial is trying to do right there, trying to put everything into one app. And I think they might be doing a little too much here. I think the payday loans and the insurance aspect might go a bit beyond on what they're doing. Because in my opinion, what Neo Financial does really well is their credit cards and their high interest savings accounts. And so I think they should be like trying to build that out more and try to build out their mortgages more too, and maybe offering line of credits instead of personal payday loans. That to me seems like a better fit, because really what I think Neo Financial should be doing is trying to become a big bank and offer those same sort of products and solutions, but just in an easier way. And I think they're missing the mark a little bit with this insurance and these payday loans. But that's just what I think of Neo Financial. I want to know, what do you think about Neo Financial? Leave a comment down below and use the link in this video description so you can get your free $25 when you sign up for Neo Financial. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.